In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PTO to your Google Calendar and fully automate the process. We all know how essential it is to keep our calendars up to date, especially when it comes to personal time off. Automating this process not only saves you time, but ensures that you're always on top of your schedule. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your preferred vacation tracker website. This site serves as a central hub for managing your time off requests and syncing them with your calendar. Once you're there, look for the option to sign up. This is typically a straightforward process, and the best part is it's free of charge. Just click on Sign Up for Free to get started. Next, you'll see several options for how you can proceed. You have the flexibility to continue through Google, Slack, or Outlook. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and what you commonly use in your workflow. If you're already logged into one of these platforms, you'll find this step is quick and seamless. Once you've set up your account, it's time to head over to the calendar section on the site. This area is where you'll manage your sync settings and ensure that everything is set up properly for your PTO entries to automatically appear on Google Calendar. The next action is to click on Connect Calendar. This feature enables the vacation tracker to seamlessly integrate with your Google Calendar. By doing so, you're granting necessary permissions for the two to communicate effectively, making sure no PTO request goes unnoticed. After connecting the calendar, you'll specifically want to select Google Calendar for synchronization. Google Calendar is widely used and syncs smoothly with most third-party applications, ensuring that your time off is properly reflected in your schedule. As we delve deeper, let's talk about the filtering options. It's important to customize the filtering to match your preferences. This step involves adjusting settings where you can put filters by certain parameters that suit your scheduling needs. This could include filtering by department, team, or any personalized labels you have assigned. Finally, click on Create Calendar Sync to complete the setup. This action wraps up the process, ensuring your PTO is automatically synced whenever a new request is submitted. This automation not only saves you from manual entries each time you plan some time off, but also ensures that everyone you're connected with is aware of your availability. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your PTO to be reflected automatically in your Google Calendar. This method helps streamline your scheduling and keeps you organized. Remember, staying ahead with technology makes managing your work-life balance much simpler. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.